Thinking about moving to Ewa Beach on the island of Oahu? Whether you're coming for the beaches, the sunshine, or a slower pace of life, this video covers 5 key things to know before you pack your bags. Ewa Beach offers that perfect balance between small-town charm and coastal living. It's a close-knit, family-oriented community with plenty of local activities, outdoor recreation, and beaches just minutes away. The lifestyle here is laid back, with friendly neighbors and year-round warm weather. Housing in Ewa Beach includes a mix of newer homes, townhouses, and single-family properties. Compared to mainland prices, housing and utilities are more expensive due to island import costs. However, it's generally more affordable than central Honolulu, giving you great value for coastal living on Oahu. To recap, know what to expect with housing and costs, plan your commute, take advantage of local schools and amenities, and prepare for island-specific moving logistics. With some preparation, your move to Ewa Beach can be stress-free and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and welcome to paradise.